something that I really like to do whenever I remember, whenever I have the opportunity to. Everybody has heard of the benefits that come from having trees. They're very, very, very real. And if you let yourself connect to these beings, you can feel the benefits. But another thing that I love to do is just sit down next to a tree and really look at the tree. And then just get really close and breathe with the tree. It's beautiful because it's a cycle. What we exhale they need, and what they exhale we need. It's beautiful. Enjoying the breeze. Oh yes. So I'm on my walk looking for beauty, and it's all around me. I love these plants. These dinosaur plants. Okay, I should have known. Yep. Okay. El agua está calentita, sabrosa. Y el cielo está espectacular. Bueno, el atardecer estuvo increíble. Y ya el sol se está despidiendo. Este día ha sido otro día maravilloso. Estoy feliz, estoy súper agradecida. Y bueno, el plan es que vamos a acampar justo aquí. Y entonces voy a amanecer con este milagro. Voy a amanecer con el marcito. No. O sea, sí. Qué rico es vivir. Let's see what we find. If I have a little sand in my eyes.